Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical pressure washer for cars and driveways, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from, pressure washers for cars and driveways, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best pressure washer for cars and driveways from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Chemical Guys Electric Pressure Washer for Cars and Driveways. Looking for a powerful and reliable pressure washer for your car and driveway? Check out the Chemical Guys Electric Pressure Washer. With a 14.5 AMP or 1680-watt motor delivering up to 2030 psi and 1.77 GPM, this washer tackles tough grime effortlessly. Featuring 5 quick connect nozzles up to 0 degree to 65 degree, it offers versatile cleaning options for any surface. Its lightweight design, 20-foot hose, and easy-to-use quick-release attachments make it perfect for all-around cleaning, from cars and driveways to fences and outdoor furniture. The auto-stop turn-off technology saves energy and extends the unit's life by automatically shutting off the pump when not in use. With a 35-foot cord, you won't need an extension cord, but if you do, ensure it's 12-gauge for optimal performance. For any technical assistance or replacement parts, Chemical Guys' customer support is ready to help. Get yours today and make cleaning fast and efficient. Number 2. Active Electric Pressure Washer for Cars and Driveways. Transform your cleaning routine with the Active Electric Pressure Washer, perfect for cars and driveways. This powerful machine boasts a brass end plate, 5-piston pro pump, and a 128 induction motor, delivering up to 1500 psi and 2.3 GPM for unbeatable performance. With a 40-foot steel-braided rubber hose and a metal pressure washer gun, it's built for durability and heavy use. Energy for deliberate use under pressure. All required is a license to use, required recognition approved. Enter promo code PRESSURE. Exercise for cleaning surface. Incorporates a variable extension cord rated for 14 AWG. The active 2.3 component is a comprehensive accessory pack, including a 1.45 M nozzle, foam cannon, and 4 nozzles up to 0 degree for 40 degree for versatile cleaning tasks. Its user-friendly design features easily serviceable components, ensuring simple maintenance and longevity. Backed by a 2-year residential warranty, the Active Electric Pressure Washer is your reliable partner for all outdoor cleaning needs. Number 3. Westinghouse Pressure Washer for Cars and Driveways. The Westinghouse Pressure Washer is the ultimate solution for cleaning cars, driveways, and more, with impressive power and portability. Equipped with a powerful 2300 max psi and 1.76 GPM flow, this washer ensures deep cleaning performance for all your outdoor needs. Featuring a pro-style 17.5-inch extendable wand with 5 quick connect nozzles up to 0 degree to 25 degree, you can easily adjust the pressure for various tasks. This compact and lightweight pressure washer, weighing only 19 elbows, is designed for easy storage and portability. The 25-foot Easy Coil nylon braided hose and 20 OZ onboard soap tank offer extra convenience for detergent-based cleaning. With 4 quick lock wheels and a low center of gravity, this washer is easy to maneuver and prevents tipping. The pump automatically stops when the trigger isn't engaged to conserve energy, enhancing the longevity of the motor. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, the Westinghouse Pressure Washer ensures reliability and service. Number 4. Kärcher Pressure Washer for Cars and Driveways. The Kärcher K1700 Pressure Washer is your go-to solution for efficient and powerful cleaning. With a maximum pressure of 1700 psi and a flow rate of 1.2 GPM, this electric pressure washer delivers fast and effective cleaning for cars, driveways, patios, and more. It features a versatile design, including a quick connect steel wand with 3 spray nozzles, a 15-degree nozzle for all-around cleaning, a turbo nozzle for tough surfaces, and a 65-degree nozzle for detergent application. Equipped with a 20-foot kink-resistant hose, this washer is easy to maneuver, and the removable storage container keeps your accessories organized. The onboard 0.5-gallon detergent tank allows for effortless soap application, while the on or off foot switch makes power control quick and easy. Ideal for concrete, fences, decks, and even boats, the Kärcher K1700 makes your outdoor cleaning tasks cleaner and quicker. Perfect for homeowners looking for reliability and convenience in one product. Number 5. Giraffe Tools Grandfalls Pressure Washer for Cars and Driveways. The Giraffe Tools Grandfalls Pressure Washer is a powerhouse designed to make your cleaning tasks effortless. Powered by an 1800-watt brushless motor, it delivers an impressive 3,300 psi and 1.6 GPM, perfect for tackling tough debris like tar, grease, rust, and stubborn dirt. Its wall-mount design keeps everything organized and accessible, saving space and providing easy convenience. Equipped with a 100-foot retractable hose, this pressure washer makes large-area cleaning a breeze. The retractable reel system protects the hose from kinks and damage, while making storage quick and easy. With 4 quick-connect nozzles up to 0 degree to 40 degree and a foam cannon, you can customize your cleaning for any job, whether it's washing your car or patio. The total stop system automatically shuts off the pump when not in use, conserving energy and extending the life of your washer. Plus, it comes with a 24-month warranty, ensuring long-lasting performance. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.